You say hi. Okay, turn around. Let me see you ride it. Jeez. Okay, turn around. Where are you going to go? Aren't you going to ride your bike?
I'm going to go away.
Where?
I'm going to go away.
Okay, we'll go that way.
No, away.
Okay. Jeez. Okay. Okay, let me see you ride your bike. You guys send this to Grandma. Do you need some help?
No.
Okay, come on. Okay, go. Go, 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 go. Uh-oh, no. Did you fall over? Okay, well, pick it up and get back on again. Pick up by the handlebars, baby. Whoa. You're doing a good job. Okay, get back on it. There you go. What are you doing? All right, you need to tell Grandma and Grandpa, say thank you for my bike.
Thank you for bye.
That's right. Okay, well, say bye-bye.
Bye, Susie.
Okay, bye-bye.